You are now watching Doorbell News.
Los Angeles, California. This happened today, June 8th, 2022. We only bring you the newest and latest videos. This is no recycled content channel. It's a regular day in Los Angeles. A landscaper is outside doing his work. He's using his blower to blow some wind. Looks like he just did a good job landscaping. You never know what's gonna happen in the mean streets of LA. You always gotta watch your back. Just a regular day. Doing a little landscaping. Next thing you know, a car pulls up. Car pulls up. Gunshots are heard. The landscaper goes for cover. It looks like the suspect who fired the first shots was hit. I could hear him say, ouch. You can almost see the moment in which he says, ouch. This is a crazy video. You know, you would call this the hood, but these are $1 million houses in this area. We hope no one was seriously hurt in this. The random violence and crime really needs to stop. If we get any updates on this story, we'll let you know. This is wild, and this happens every day. We just checked out our analytics, and we just found out that we made $3.50 in the last 28 days. We really appreciate that. All contributions go a long way to help keep this channel running. And if you want to contribute to this channel, feel free. We really appreciate it. $1, $2, $5, $10, it really goes a long way. And we want to thank you for all contributions. Thanks for watching Doorbell News. New video coming tomorrow.
Thanks for watching Doorbell News. Subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.